Money gets lost. It's happened to all of us at some point, but I don't mean loose change between the couch cushions or in yesterday's laundry pile. I'm talking about old 401ks, unclaimed life insurance, utility deposits, back wages, the list goes on. Some estimates say there are more than $58 billion in unclaimed funds in the US. Wowza! That's a lot of dough. Best part about finding missing money is it's free. It costs nothing to get it because it's already yours. So where do you begin? Start by visiting missingmoney.com. From the homepage, click on States to find a list of each individual state's unclaimed property division. If you're searching in more than one state, you might find that each site is a little different. Just follow the step-by-step instructions and let the database do the rest. Be sure to search common misspellings of your name, aliases you may have used, and the names of family members. If it's unclaimed retirement funds you're looking for, visit the National Registry of Unclaimed Retirement Benefits. There, you can get help finding money that was withheld from prior employers. Instead of retirement funds, maybe it's pension money you're seeking. If that's the case, the Pension Benefit Guaranty Corporation can assist you in finding money owed to you from the pension plans of the past. Now, if you think the tax man owes you money, you can visit the official IRS website. Here, you can file a claim if an employer has withheld funds, or file a tax return for earned wages from up to 3 years ago. Finding missing money is like winning the lottery, only better because it's free. So why not find out if you have some out there, just waiting for you to find it? For more tips and links to all of these websites and more, head over to Komando.com and search Missing Money.
Hey, thanks for watching. Now, a few things. Don't forget to click the like button and also subscribe to our YouTube channel. And for more digital know-how, check out all these other great links.